The wrack is back!
Hey! Oi, oi! The wrack is back! And I'm fishing with my man Nathan today. You never guess where we are. Jurrasic coast! Unreal! And there's some mad waves coming in today. But we don't care. We're gonna catch fish.
We get 2 tripods out there somewhere.
Oh yes, Jurrasic coast. 95 miles of World Heritage coastline, Devon to Dorset. Here, the rocks record 185 million years of the Earth's history. A fossil hunter's paradise. It's a continuous geological journey into the Mesozoic era from 250 to 65 million years ago, also known as the age of the reptiles. It was during this time that dinosaurs evolved to rule the world, only to face extinction by the end.
What you got there, Cocker?
I got a dogfish, mate.
Look at that.
Member of the shark family.
Spotted dog.
You've got to watch it because they're
strong.
like sandpaper and they'll cut that. It's like it's from Essex. He'll cut ya. He'll cut ya.
Let's get your shadow out of the way. Look, that's better. See that?
Your rod.
What?
Still there.
Oh, you are what you are.
Okay.
Good. That's teamwork, that was. I struck into it.
Oh, you've snagged.
I stuck into it and I'll give it back to you.
In order to fish this coastline, be prepared to push yourself to the limits. This isn't a car park swim. This is hiking across hilly, rocky terrain, unforgiving on those knees. Take all sorts of baits and your lures, different rods, and be prepared to explore and rove. Tides can be weak or strong as swells build up unexpectedly, and winds here are not always correct by the Met Office. This is harsh fishing, and out there in the wet stuff is a tackle graveyard, but the rewards are there to be had.
Tough going. The evil wrasse.
Beautiful, mate. Well done. I can't believe it. We've got a January wrasse.
The January wrasse.
That's unbelievable. January wrasse. Never thought we'd do it.
In the sun.
But hats off to you, mate. I've seen you over on that ledge hanging off.
Hanging off.
That's what you got to do. And fair play. Straighten that up. That's it.
Right, let's get him back.
Yeah. What? You're not going up the top, are you?
Yeah, mate.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
For the viewers.
For the viewers. Whack TV. Come on, let's have it. Do or die. Go on the boy. What's it feel like, top of the world?
My island. My island.
My island. Woohoo! You're the man! Adventures of a sea wrasser! Oh, this fella cracks me up, mate.
Is that a fish? Huh? Oh, he's got a fish! He's got a fish! He's dragging it in! Watch the other line, watch the other line. He's just caught it. Oh, and he's got himself a... Lead it up, let's have a look. What's that then? That, my friend,
Dog, isn't it?
is a member of the shark family.
Spotted dog,
Who's the bigger?
yours is bigger.
Thank you.
Who's bigger?
Hello. Ah, oh, he had you then. Watch it, he's a member of the shark family.
That's here. Okay, you don't miss about this, bugger.
Even on. Now that, my friends, is why we didn't go piking. A January winter wrasse.
What?
Look at that bad boy. Look at the undercarriage on it. You can always tell they're good when they got the undercarriage.
Well.
That is a proper crab smasher.
Nathan, mate, that's worth the trip down here to see that. I've never seen one.
The Jurrasic coast, mate.
Not like that. That's awesome, mate. That's awesome.
Proper wild, beautiful fish, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful.
Stuff for dreams, mate.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. The colours on it.
Amazing, isn't it? That's it, mate. Look at the head on it.
I think he's having a well-earned rest. Mate, you deserve a rest. You've got to get back up the cliff yet.
I must go down to the sea again for the call of the running tide. It's a clear call and a wild call and a call that can't be denied.
Whoa!
Oi. You've broken me.
I feel broken. At my age.
We got to walk back to the car, yeah. It's like the rivers would be bang on. Come and have a go on the rivers.
Yeah,
come and catch a £30 pike.
We should be piking.
And oh no, I want to go to the sea.
Yeah, but look at it, it's gorgeous out there. What a place to live.
Didn't start off gorgeous though.
Nah, a bit cold, wasn't it?
No sleep. I had no sleep.
I left home at midnight. Drove down here 3 hours.
3:30 at mine. Squid in by 4:30. We didn't get any.
Didn't get any squid. No.
Then we come down to a mark, bit of bait, dogfish.
Yeah, that's always on the cards, that, isn't it?
Then I went rogue.
Yeah.
Pulled it out of the bag.
Lunchtime, it wasn't even lunchtime, was it? We'd just about had enough, hadn't we?
Yeah.
We said, you know what, this is not happening.
Yeah. And I wanted to move, I was nagging him to move, he didn't want to move, he wanted to stay in the same place all day.
I did get lazy.
And I'm like, no, we've got to move, we've got to move. And then, monster wrasse.
Yeah, but half a mile hike across Jurrasic coast. And you don't really want to feel like moving, you really don't.
No. But it's been emotional, it's been good to see you.
Likewise, mate, likewise.
Yeah.
I've seen some epic fish today.
And we worked for them. As always.
Yeah. Who'd have thought though you can catch wrasse and that sort of stuff in January?
Yeah. Do you know what I love about it? I love
literally
about
just get banged out with whiting round my way.
I love it.
No
I grew up here. I mean, when I was 5, 6, 7, 8 years old, I'd spend my summers down here, the winters, climbing up cliffs, and it's a great place to grow up as a kid. And now to be able to come back, people like yourself, and catch big wrasse on light gear, full circle.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. But
it's my island.
as I said, I always
my island.
I don't pretend that I love fishing on my own, but I don't know what made me contact Nathan and say, right, okay, we ought to try and catch some sea fish in January. I've got no idea why I've done that.
Dementia. Early dementia. So it's not true, he doesn't always fish on his own.
Don't fish with many people actually these days.
Oh, I tend to do about a dozen a year. Yeah. About a dozen people a year.
Try and stay out of the way, but it don't happen, does it?
I know, I know. But do you know what? It's been really nice to have a break from the rivers. I've done well on the rivers.
Yeah.
And So now we've got to grab the kit and walk back to the car.
It's a hell of a walk. It's a hell of a kit. They bought everything in the kitchen sink. Didn't need half of it.
No. Hi Mum. Hi Jem. No, it's been good fun, isn't it? And I did watch your other video, you know, about sort of fishing on your own. And I fish on my own. Seriously.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, you know, with the right people, it's fantastic.
Yeah, it's good laugh with the right people.
And you just got to go through the people till you get the right people. And when the right people become the wrong people, you've got to jog them on.
Yeah. Jog on.
And have fun. When the fun stops, stop.
When the fun stops, stop. That's it. That's it.
Bit emotional, man.
I thought we'd be t-shirting in the middle of January.
I'm not.
Catching wrasse.
I've got 4 layers.
Look at you.
This is a flotation suit.
State of you, bro.
So fishing with friends can be fun, and some friendships last a lifetime. Anyway, thanks Nathan.